Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, my friends, to a brand new adventure. One that could change your life forever. It's your guy Trevor, coming to you from, well, somewhere on planet Earth. Today, I want to talk to you about a journey that goes beyond borders and beyond your wildest dreams. Today, we're talking about something big, leaving land behind and heading to sea. Imagine trading your daily routine for the endless horizon and the sound of waves. Have you ever seen a cruise ship? It's like a city floating on water, packed with everything you need: restaurants, theaters, even swimming pools. Now imagine working there, waking up in one country, going to sleep in another, and every day is a new adventure. This isn't a fantasy. Africans are landing these jobs every day, and you could be next. People just like you are making their mark on the world. Why do it? Sure, the money's good, but it's about adventure. It's about stories you'll tell for a lifetime and memories you'll never forget. You travel the world for free. Caribbean 1 week, Europe the next. Every port is a new chapter in your story. You meet people from everywhere, learn new cultures, and share your own. Friendships you make on board can last a lifetime. You become a global citizen, earning a salary as you go. Your world gets bigger with every mile you travel. It's a job, a travel plan, and a life lesson all in one. You'll learn skills that open doors for your future, wherever you go. Some of you might think, Trevor, is this real? Yes. Cruise lines need hardworking, friendly people. They're looking for talent from Africa right now. They need cooks, cleaners, and people who can bring energy and passion to every role. Entertainers, spa staff, casino workers, and more. There's a place for every skill and personality. People from Africa bring warmth, resilience, and vibrant culture. Your unique background is your superpower. The world is waiting to meet you. There's a whole ocean of opportunity out there. This isn't just a dream, it's a career that can change your life. You can build a future for yourself and your family. It starts with believing you can do more, see more, be more. The first step is daring to imagine yourself on that ship. This isn't about running away. It's about running toward opportunity. It's about chasing your dreams and making them real. Take your skills and spirit to a global stage. Show the world what you're made of. Stick with me. We'll break down the jobs, requirements, and how to apply safely. I'll guide you every step of the way. You'll get all the info you need. No secrets, no confusion, just real talk and real opportunities. Let's get you ready for your adventure on the high seas. Your ship is waiting and your story is about to begin. Are you ready to get on board? The journey starts now. Don't let fear hold you back. Let's dive in and see what's possible. The ocean is calling and it's time to answer. The world is bigger than you think. Let's go. Your adventure awaits. Let's talk jobs. Have you ever wondered what it takes to keep a floating city running smoothly day and night? A cruise ship is basically a floating hotel, resort, and entertainment complex all rolled into one, so they need all kinds of people to make it work. The hotel department is the biggest: housekeeping, laundry, guest services, and more. These teams keep everything clean, comfortable, and welcoming for thousands of guests. Food and beverage is huge too. Cooks, bakers, waiters, bartenders, and even sommeliers. They prepare and serve thousands of meals every single day, making sure everyone is well fed and happy. If you've worked in a hotel or restaurant, you're already halfway there. Many of the skills you use on land are in high demand at sea. Guest services includes front desk staff, shop workers, and youth program leaders. These roles are all about making guests feel at home and entertained. Love kids? There's a place for you in the youth programs, where you'll create fun and safe experiences for younger passengers. Entertainment and technical teams are next: singers, dancers, musicians, and technicians. From dazzling stage shows to behind-the-scenes magic, these teams keep the fun going. Deck and engine departments need sailors, engineers, electricians, and technical experts to keep the ship safe and running smoothly, no matter the weather. There's a job for almost every skill set, from hospitality to technical trades, and everything in between. Whether you're a people person, a chef, a technician, or someone who loves adventure, there's a spot for you on board. We'll dive deeper into each job in future videos, so you can find out exactly what fits your interests and experience. For now, just know, cruise ships need a diverse crew. Your experience matters. Your energy matters. No matter your background, there's a role for you. There's a place for you on board and a world of opportunity waiting at sea. Ready to find your fit? Your adventure could start sooner than you think. Excited? Great. But before you pack, here's what you need. First, a valid passport. No passport, no job at sea. Next, English skills. You don't need to be perfect, but you must communicate well. Practice every day. Movies, music, conversations. You'll also need a police clearance certificate to prove you have a clean record. Start this process early. It can take time. For most jobs, 1 or 2 years experience in a similar role helps. Technical jobs need special certificates. Most importantly, bring a strong work ethic and a positive attitude. Life on a ship is demanding, long hours, months away from home. Be ready for a challenge. Be ready to grow. If you have these basics, you're on your way. So, how do you apply? Not directly to the cruise line, use a recruitment agent. These agents are official partners, guiding you through the process. Find them on the cruise line's official website under careers or jobs. In Africa, look for reputable agencies in South Africa, Kenya, Ghana, and Nigeria. Never pay an agent for a job. Real agents are paid by the cruise line. You'll pay for your medical exam and visa, but not for the job itself. Submit your CV, passport, and work certificates to the agent. Make your CV professional and tailored to the job. Be patient. The process takes time. Your first impression counts, so make it strong. Found a real agent and sent your documents? Here's what happens next. The journey to working on a cruise ship is detailed, but each stage is important for your success. The agent carefully reviews your application and may invite you for an interview, either online or in person, depending on your location and the company's process. During this interview, they'll check your English skills, work experience, and personality to see if you're a good fit for the role and the cruise environment. If you pass, you'll move on to an interview with the cruise line itself, which is often more formal and specific to the job you're applying for. Prepare well, research the company, understand their values, and be ready to explain why you want the job and what makes you a great candidate. If you're successful, you'll receive a letter of employment, which is your official job offer from the cruise line. Next, you must complete a medical exam, PEME, with an approved doctor to make sure you're fit for work at sea. Once you pass your medicals, you'll apply for the necessary visas, like the C1/D, so you can legally join your ship in a foreign port. Don't worry, the agent will guide you through each step, answering your questions and helping you with paperwork. You'll receive your joining ticket and detailed instructions on where and when to meet your ship, so you're fully prepared for departure. It's a long process, but every step brings you closer to your dream job and a new adventure. Stay organized, follow instructions carefully, and keep track of your progress along the way. Soon, you'll be boarding your ship and starting an exciting new chapter in your life. Let's talk about scams. Modern-day pirates targeting job seekers everywhere. If someone asks for money upfront, it's a scam. No exceptions. Real agents never charge you for the job or any application process. Beware of offers that sound too good to be true or skip proper interviews. Check email addresses. Real companies use official domains, not Gmail or Yahoo. Watch for bad grammar and fake websites that look suspicious. Always verify agents on the cruise line's official list. Don't trust random social media posts or ads. Contact the cruise line directly if you're unsure about anything. Protect your dream. Do your research. Trust your instincts. Only work with verified sources. Don't let scammers steal your opportunity. We've covered a lot. Jobs, requirements, the process, and how to avoid scams. Working on a cruise ship is life-changing. You earn in strong currencies with free food and accommodation so you can save more. You'll support your family, save for your future, and build a better life. But it's not just about money. It's about growth. You'll become more independent, confident, and skilled. You'll see places most people only dream of. The work is tough, but you'll build lifelong friendships with crew from around the world. You'll create memories and connections that last forever. Think about which job excites you most. Start preparing now. Your adventure is waiting. Stay motivated, stay connected, and let us know which cruise job you want. Let's make your dream a reality.